We're finally gonna get started. We have to get Alex away from his fanfare over there, but we're gonna get things moving over here. Gonna get him on the lift? Yeah. All right, we're heading on up, getting on the gondola. First run of the day. Woo! Alex over here, go hit it, Mike. Mike's friend, I forgot his name.
Alex.
Oh, it's Alex! All right, there we go. It should be easy. You good, Alex? You all right? You good? You plug all your plugs in, got all your GoPros proing, and
I think the GoPro is proing.
all right. I like your butt too. Your butt's as nice as anyone else's butt, Mike. So when this is kind of flowing down, we'll show you the Red Bull drop.
Cabin.
All right.
Get some film of me and Hank hitting cabin.
Yeah, I'm down, dude. I'll take some third-person shots of you guys hitting a drop.
Do it.
Hell yeah.
Oh, you're gonna hit it?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh shit. All right.
Trail hit it too.
Active trail guy, we're supporting your pump. See that guy right over there? He just humped your pump, but.
Yeah,
All right, you good? We'll yell up. We got some young studs over here. They're gonna do the Red Bull cabin drop. Here's how high this thing is. There's Mike down there. There's a little Alex.
How many cameras do you have?
I got a lot of cameras. Here it comes.
I'm gonna try to...
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, boy!
Somebody's bike shop's getting some business.
Woo!
Nice job, guys.
It's vermless.
So we survived run one in the books. Yeah, there's some doubles, but they're not that big. Go over here, keep on going around. Up here, you're gonna go to the left, Alex. Yep. Here comes Alex. Like Tony from MTV Droppin' would say, he's dropping in. Yeah! Nice one, man. Hard right, Alex, hard right. Dude, I almost killed a squirrel. Are we good? Rider down? Who's down? I'm walking up, guys. Let me know if a rider's coming. Okay. You never like to hear rider down. You like rider coming down, that's good. Rider down's not fun. Woo! Wicked! No stopping! You good, buddy?
Good.
All right, man.
That was probably my favorite lap.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Well, we kicked it up a little bit. We stepped it up, right?
No, let's keep stepping it up.
All right. Consider it
Good.
stepped.
That was good.
You want to do this?
This is one of those rock.
Yeah, I see that. That's pretty rad. That guy's like, don't take it. Yeah, no, I appreciate that.
That was a helpful call.
He's like, you've got too much to live for, man.
Kind of like keep
Go around. We could do that line. Yeah.
Yeah, let's take this one.
So just so you know, when I was here for the U.S. Open, you're literally watching guys like Phil.
Freaking
fly
in.
I have Phil's video. I can show you Phil's video. It's on Instagram. This wasn't even here for him.
Staying low off that jump, he has undeniable talent.
There's Alex checking out what these crazy pros do.
Not really. It's like the last bad part of the
But yeah, Alex, we can do that other line. We could do that other line.
This one?
Yeah, like you said, we can do that line.
Would be the-
I'm comfortable doing that.
Be the hard
Yeah.
spot.
Right here, just wait. We're gonna go this way,
I'm gonna stand over here. I'll get you.
and we're gonna go
Down.
right down that way. It's not really that bad. The rocks are kind of like almost like a pathway for
Yeah.
us. Nah, we'll be all right. We'll be all right.
I'm calling bike pitch on this one.
Look,
I gotta,
I'm rolling that bitch. Come on, look.
I think
I'm 46 years old, buddy.
Have too much speed.
I'm 46 years old. I'm rolling that. My ass is gonna be rubbed. I'm gonna literally wipe my ass with my back tire and roll that. Are you ready to pull this off, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Seat is down. Wait, actually, let me crank that up a little more compression so it doesn't suck up on me. All right, gentlemen, let's do what we do. Yeah, send that guy down. He's younger. He heals faster.
There's a jump if you want to hit it.
Look, I'm happy I did that, buddy. What's with this kid? Oh, nice, buddy. Nice. All right, keep on going. Go, Mike. Keep going, buddy.
Oh, yeah. I hit that last time.
That was nice. Whoa! I'm like pushing forward, just trying to grip. I'm like, land front tire, you bastard, land! We're going straight there, Mr. Sampler. Yep. I'm gonna have to go to the chiropractor after that one. Oh man, how'd you do, buddy?
I got both the water on.
Oh, you're awesome.
I got up on there. Hell yeah.
Nice. All right, that's gonna do it, folks. Pretty freaking good time here at Creek. Alex and Mike, we had a lot of fun. And we're going home safe.